Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. You need a Google account and an existing business profile with accurate address and contact info. Once done, open Google Business Profile Manager and select the business you want public. Make sure you've entered a complete business category and hours because Google uses those to match searches. Next, request verification. Pick the fastest available method, sometimes instant if your account is trusted, otherwise postcard or phone. This step unlocks public visibility, so don't skip verification. Once you receive your verification code, enter it promptly in the Business Profile Manager. Delays can pause visibility. After verified, go to the Info tab and toggle Profile Visibility to Public. This makes core details indexable by Google. Make sure to fill from the business description with keywords and add categories that match user intent. This helps search relevance. Also upload high-quality photos, list services and products, and set correct hours. These elements directly influence how your profile appears in results. After saving changes, publish your profile and then search your business name in Google Search and Maps to confirm it's live. Sometimes propagation takes a few minutes. Continue monitoring insights and respond to reviews to improve visibility and trust. If your profile doesn't appear public, make sure verification completed, review Google's content policies for violations, and look for duplicate listings that could suppress visibility. Remove or merge duplicates. If issues persist, use the support options inside the dashboard to request help.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.